Welcome back, guys. And in this is a Samsung mobile. If you want to know the IP address of this mobile, how do you know? I'm going to tell in this video, and I will also tell you in other mobiles how can you go and see. So go to the setting. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel after watching this, and go to the about phone here. In Samsung mobile, this is under setting. In any mobile it is under setting. You have to just navigate it. So just tap on here and then go to this status information. Here you will see IP address. This is IP address of this mobile. Suppose I am turning this mobile into the flight mode. What will happen? See, it is unavailable. As soon as your mobile is getting connected to internet, this some value will come here. So this is how you can see the IP address of your mobile. Just go to the about phone, go to the status. Just in any phone, in any Android mobile, go to the setting. There in setting, in root also, that you will find about phone, and in about phone you just navigate for the status, and in status you will find the IP address. So this is how you can see the IP address of your mobile. This is what I wanted to tell you. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.